Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about technology and how important it is in our daily lives. Technology is everywhere. It helps us stay connected with family and friends. With our phones, we can call, text, and even video chat, no matter where we are. This keeps us close, even when we're far apart. Technology also makes our work easier. Computers and software help us finish tasks quickly. We can organize our work, do research, and solve problems more efficiently. Education has also changed with technology. We can access information online, learn new skills through apps, and even attend classes from home. This opens up many opportunities for learning. Finally, technology improves healthcare. New tools and treatments help doctors diagnose and treat diseases better. This means we can live healthier and longer lives. In conclusion, technology is a big part of our lives. It connects us, helps us work, makes our homes comfortable, enhances learning, and improves healthcare. Embracing technology helps us live better and achieve more. Thank you.